Chapter 20, Tuesday, March 20th through Wednesday, March 21st. Money saved, $176.77. At least with Malcolm out of the picture, I kept every penny I earned. Who needed him anyway? I could do just fine without him. If only I could read my handwriting. I really need to work on my penmanship. I went to the wrong houses. I accidentally showed up at the wrong times. I even charged people the wrong amounts of money. The worst money exchange happened when I dropped off Chucky, the Chihuahua. "That's $6, please," I said to Miss Greenleaf. "I have a 10, she said, dipping into her purse. "Do you have change?" I counted out 4 singles. "Here you go." "Wait, here's a 20. "No problem." I counted out 5 more singles and a 5. "I don't want all these singles." She handed 5 of them back to me. "Can I have another $5 bill?" "Sure." I gave her one. "Oh, look, I have a 10. Can I get change for it?" I handed her 2 $5 bills. She handed me one of the bills back. "I'll take ones, please." I counted out 5 ones. "And can I have my $20 bill back?" "Sure." I handed her the 20 and she handed me a stack of singles and 5s. "And do you have change for the 20? I sighed, but gave her some 5s and some singles back. This went on a while. When I got home, I realized that somehow I paid her $5. I also walked a pig. On the phone, I thought Mrs. Ryan said she needed me to walk a pug. Hamlet, the pot-bellied pig, was small, fat, and slow. Plus, he snorted constantly and did not want to move. Mrs. Ryan told me he would chase after food, so I had to hold some corn in my hand and have him run after me. I was scared to death of banging into something and then having Hamlet jump on top of me and eat all of the corn. Then I'd never get home again, and I'd probably never get him off of me either. But it went all right, I guess. We made it around the entire block, but I wasn't planning on walking any more pigs. After that, I rode my bike up to Grand River Avenue, my flyers tucked under my arm. I put them on lampposts and car windshields and walls and anywhere else I could think of. I'd make You Ought to Call Otto's dog walking service a household name. Dog walking, not pig walking. But I hadn't been the only one putting up signs. Lexi had been busy, again, unfortunately for me. Everywhere I turned, I saw signs that made me feel more and more depressed. In the window of the hair salon was a bright pink poster that read, "Hair's looking at you, kid," but with Lexi's unmistakable glitter style. When I went to get a better look, my fears were confirmed. In small print at the bottom were the words, "Signs by Lexi." I felt dizzy and had to sit down on the sidewalk for a moment. I noticed other signs too. The hardware store window featured a poster with a picture of a hammer and the words, "It's hammer time at Louie's Hardware House." On the bottom were those 3 dreadful words that felt like someone had pummeled me in the stomach with a watermelon. Signs by Lexi. I put some of my signs up, but my heart wasn't in it. My signs seemed so small and uninteresting compared to Lexi's glitter monstrosities. Had she earned $500 for a pet? Was she close? I was so far away from earning that much. After doing horrible at school, in soccer, and losing my best friend, what if I lost the pet war too? The thought was too horrible to even imagine.